darkening here in South by Southwest. So grab your coats and boots. It's time to get dressed. There's a big storm brewing, and this lot wants to win. So when you feel the first drop from the sky, its rain is about to begin. It's Thunderstorm! In the blue square, RGB can stand for lots of things, like really great pop, or robot giving beatings. Yeah, I like that one a lot. I'm rhyming greatly, baby. Hey, that's RGB too. Now meet the color-themed robot that'll leave you red, green, black, and blue. Give it up for RGBeater!
All right, listen for the countdown. There we go. Both weapons spinning up and slowly, tentatively making their way to the center. Big hit right off the bat. RGBeater. Looks like their weapon's not spinning anymore after that big hit. Neither weapon seems to be driven as it spins down. But the drivetrain seems to still be working, so we might have to, no, it looks like Thunderstorm is still working. They're both spinning back up. Big hit. Oh, ending up on its back. Still able to drive. He's tapping out. That's a tap out by Thunderstorm.
And your winner, RGBeater!